up in Indianapolis, getting ready to go to the, I don't know what they call it, the abandoned vehicle lot or whatever, where they have the auction cars. Doug's mad as usual. Anyway, we bought a Camaro at the auction yesterday online, and got to come up here and pick it up today. So I didn't film much coming up. It's pretty boring, pretty shaky in this old truck, but I don't know, I'll get a clip when we pull in. There was a tornado up here a week ago. I think they said it was EF2, maybe. I don't know if it's going to show very well, but I'm trying not to run off the road. Oh wow, yeah, look at that. Wow. Pulling in, yeah, this is the abandoned vehicle / police impound lot. So the car we bought's back there with the rest, but you've got to go to the front office first and obviously pay for it. But we got a lot of junk up here. Indianapolis has got a lot of cars. So there's a burnt one there. Anyway, we'll get it paid for and we'll be back. Got our paperwork. Now we gotta go in the pen and get our car. There's ducks everywhere, geese everywhere. There's like 75 of those geese that went through the parking lot when I was walking in the office. Although that was kind of neat. I don't know what this is. At me and I drove off, so all right, so our car is over here. I saw it just a second ago. Conversation with the guy that runs the auction here. He was actually really cool. Ends up I was mixed up on where I was. Walking out of that building, I got turned around. This where we just now parked is the cars that are going up for auction next week. The cars that ran yesterday are all up here on the left. Oop, dropped all my paperwork. Fucking parking lot in this truck. Yep, our car is going to be right up here, right there beside the that Chevy pickup. It's the one with the hood open on it still. So let's see what this, see if it'll start. I'm sure the battery's dead. Can't imagine it's not. Look at that BMW. No, thank you. Alright, here's the Camaro. Big dent in the door it didn't have in the pictures. That's nice. Yeah, at least frame looks straight enough on it. I'm sure it's savable. Yeah, that dent, I don't remember that dent being in the pictures. That sucks. The quarter's been painted. Other than that, looks like a Camaro. Food in it, of course. Yeah, she did. All right, let's go grab a jump pack. Okay. Yeah, we'll just use this truck. There we go. Car and see if that works. Here we go. turn, so this thing's gonna be a blast to move. We'll get her out. We'll load her right here. That lower control arm's bent. I didn't even notice. Look at that wheel push back into that fender. Yeah, drove up on the trailer. Shit, I didn't expect that one. God, what a pile. I guess 1,700 bucks don't get you a whole lot of car these days, especially in a Camaro. But it does have leather. It's got the nice stereo in it, I guess. I don't know how these seat backs work. I hope it's not like stuck like that. Yeah, we'll figure it out. All right. I think we're out of here. Let's go. Hey there. I don't know what, do you get the stamped one? Okay. Sorry? Oh, we got, have a good day. It's easy enough. Looks like a Camaro, so it's good enough, I guess. All right. Well, there we go. It's cleaner than I thought inside, but the body's worse than I thought. It's been wrecked 3 times according to the Carfax, so you know, but who cares? It's 200,000 miles with a rebuilt title. It's never going to be worth a lot, but it could be fun just to cruise around in a little bit and then sell it eventually. So God forbid anything eventful happens on the way home, I will see you when we probably are unloading this thing. Now you can see that control arm, just absolutely horseshoe, broke sway bar link. Don't care about it. Let's get it out of the way for now. Hopefully this control arm will bring everything back where it's supposed to be, because right now it's not very happy. So we'll see what we can do here. Get that fixed. But other than that, the inner structure looks fine. I think this rail looks okay, apron looks fine, frame rail looks fine. This is the core, the upper core support, so we'll pull it out with a chain, get it out of the way, and then get one ordered for it. So yeah, I think we'll be okay. Looks like a pretty dry engine, actually. Let's get that control arm off. There's half of it out of the way. See if I can wheel on this a little easier now. Okay, never mind. Well, there we go. So, let's go look at our new one here. Wow, look at that. That is, jeez. Shook a good whack, that's for sure. All right, let's get this installed. Here we go. Here we go. Nice. Well, that thing went right together. That's awesome. All right, let's tighten this thing up and get her back on the ground. See if we're straight now. Oh yeah, it looks a lot better. Wheel's actually straight now. Let's get that tire put back on, get this girl on the ground. Boy, doesn't that look better? That's what we needed. We're straight now. All right. All right, I'm gonna get the ramps down. We'll get this thing backed off the trailer and go up the driveway in it. Probably good enough. Let's roll. And the air works, thank God. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, it's got backup sensors on it. I forgot about that. He's going to crash it before it even gets fixed to be crashed again. I did pull the front end out quite a bit though. Jumped on the hood like a fat man. There's a picture of a dude right there. There. You want to show him your new hoodie or your new beanie you just got out of the glove box?
This is what I am.
Isn't that sad? LaQuisha Thomas probably looking for a beanie for her old man because obviously she's queen and he's king. But does it smell like the marijuana? It smells worse. She wants to show us her new toy she has. Get up there. Show me how you do it. Look at that. She can balance. Good job. Look at you. Back it up. Look at you. Yeah. That good. You gonna jump at me? Oh, she wanting to. Oh. Good job. Come on. Come on. She got an audience today. What are you doing, little one? Yeah, she's a little more timid. This one just silly. All right, come on, silly. Come on. Let's go. Matter. Come on. Are we done? Okay. Also, little update. Completely different video, but the Camaro that we just got last Friday got a couple sources already set up for complete front end for this car. Did paint the wheels black metallic gray, midnight gray or black, I don't know what the hell it's called, but anyway, we couldn't handle the red anymore. It was way too much. So just a little update on that thing.